Lenovo ThinkPad. So let's just open it up and let's turn on. Let's see what's the problem with this one, and then we're gonna find out how to fix this one. As you can see, it has a Windows 10 actually, but I guess the problem would be I think how to get inside this computer, you know, because it's been donated by someone to the charity organizations, and they do not know the username and the password if it has any. So you would need, yeah, as I said, so here you can see it has WLW guest, but we don't know the pin. Basically no. So what we need to do is we need to get inside this computer. We need to bypass the pin or the password for the user, and then we can change the password, and then we will be able to use this computer. All right, because we don't know the password. So to reset that, what we need to do is, as you can see, this ease of access
make your
button,
computer easier.
we need to change this. Okay, this is called utilmen, so we need to change the command prompt to this name, and then we will be able to see our command prompt, and then from there we will be able to see the magic how it happens. So let's do that. So first of all, let's just shut down the computer. So you can see I have a bootable USB inserted into the USB drive of my computer, and this is a Lenovo laptop. All right, so basically what you need to do is you need to hold on to the FN key and then keep pressing the F12. Okay, so this is how you can boot into the Lenovo laptop. So here, as you can see, I am into the boot menu now. From here, you can choose the different types of boot devices that you have. Either your Windows Boot Manager, which you already have, and then USB. I have a USB SanDisk third generation, so I want to boot from this one. So I will select that, and then I'll hit enter. And here it is, it's booting from the USB. So here we can click next. So once I'm here, I'm not gonna click on the install now button. I'll click on the repair computer. Okay, so once I'm here, I'll click on troubleshoot. All right, and then from here, we will choose command prompt. Okay, so now I'm here in the command prompt. We are gonna go to the C drive because my window is in the C drive. So I'll type in C and then colon and then click on that. Now I'm in the C drive. After that, I'll go to the Windows. So I'll type CD space Windows. And then I'll hit enter. So now I'm in the Windows folder. I need to go to the CD System32 file. So I'll type CD space System32. All right, so now I'm in the System32 folder. I need to change one file which is called utilmen. So I'm gonna change the utilmen. I'm gonna rename it to CMD, and then I'm gonna rename the CMD to utilmen. So I'll type rename REN and then space cmd.exe. All right, I want to change it to utilmen 2. I don't want to put it as utilmen because there is already a file called utilmen.exe. So I want to put it utilmen2.exe. Okay, now I want to change the utilmen file to CMD. So I'll put rename utilmen.exe to cmd.exe because already CMD is renamed to utilmen2.exe. So press that, and that's good. So after this, now I need to go back and change this utilmen2 to utilmen. So let's go back, rename utilmen 2.exe to utilmen.exe. Okay, that's it. So we have done that. Now we need to go back to our folder. So once you have that, you can just exit from here. Okay, all right, let's turn it off and then we will turn it on again. All right, so it has turned on now. What we need to do is now we're going to click on this ease of access and it will hopefully take us to the CMD. So let's see if it does. As we said, it does. Type in this command, who am I? Who am I? Now write net user, net space user. Okay, here we go. As you can see, we have different types of users in here. So we have the administrator, we have another utility something account, we have default account, we have WLW guest, we have guest. Okay, so we have all these accounts. Basically, I want to change the password for WLW guest. So for that, we are gonna go and do that. So we type net space user space. Now we need to put this into the 2 colons because it's more than one word, so you need to put it into the colon. If it's just one word like WLW, then you don't need to put it in the colon. So let's do that. Great. So now look at that, it says type a password for the user. So I'm gonna type a password. Basically, let's go 1 2 3 4 5. When you are typing the password, you will not be able to see it, so just you know. Okay, and then it says retype password to confirm. So 1 2 3 4 5, and boom, the command completed successfully. So now let's close this window and see if this one works. So click, there we go. So we are already here. So this one is now working. If you have forgotten the password of your account, this is how you can actually reset it. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Please do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.